This video is about one thing only: how to help an average face reach its full potential, using science, not genetics, not fake hacks. If your face often looks tired, dull, or less confident than you feel, this video is for you. Let's be clear. A model-tier face does not mean perfection. It means clear skin, healthy structure, low facial bloating, and confident presence. And yes, these are things you can actually work on. Many people think their looks are limited by genetics, but science shows something different. Sleep, nutrition, posture, stress, and grooming all directly affect how your face looks over time. Most faces don't look bad, they just haven't reached their potential yet. Let's clear a common myth. There is no strong scientific evidence that jawline exercises permanently change bone structure. What actually helps is overall fat management and posture. As body fat decreases, facial definition improves naturally. As posture improves, the face looks sharper, more balanced, head up, chest open, mouth closed, nose breathing. Small habits create visible changes. Good skin isn't about expensive products. It's about consistency. Dermatologists agree on three basics only: gentle cleansing, daily moisturizing, and sun protection. Poor sleep and high sugar increase inflammation, which often leads to acne, dullness, and early aging. Healthy skin is built, not guessed. Grooming is one of the fastest ways to improve appearance. A haircut that suits your face shape, facial hair that looks intentional, clean, simple hygiene, neat eyebrows, healthy lips. Most faces improve a lot when the basics are respected. This part is often overlooked. Relax your face. Move your eyes calmly. Release unnecessary tension. Confidence shows before words do. Your face reflects how you treat your body daily. Follow this system consistently for 30 days. No pressure, no shortcuts. Not to become someone else, but to look like the best version of yourself.